This is my Blackberry and caramelised white chocolate marshmallow recipe. So to make it, all you need to do is bake some white chocolate until it's caramelised, stew down some blackberries with a little touch of water and push this through a sieve to catch all the juice. Mash it up a little bit to get as much out as possible. Weigh this, add your powdered gelatine to it while it's still warm, whisk it in and pop that to the side. Then weigh out your water, glucose, sugar. Boil this until it reaches a temperature of between 125 to 130 degrees. Whisk up a couple of egg whites and then slowly pour in this boiling hot syrup and you'll get almost like an Italian meringue. Then add your blackberry sauce with the gelatine. Keep whisking this until it starts to cool and it will go nice and aerated and have beautiful soft peaks and a stunning colour. Then pop the marshmallow mix into a piping bag. And then I've dusted some moulds with some insoluble icing sugar, but you can use equal quantities of icing sugar and cornflour. Pipe it into the moulds, give them a tap down to make sure that they're all sat nicely on the bottom. Then while it's still tacky, spoon over your caramelised white chocolate, dust it again and let this set overnight. At room temperature, don't put them in the fridge because they go all sticky. Turn it out onto some more icing sugar, cut them up and you can enjoy. But I like to serve these with the elderberry syrup. And just for a bit of drama and theatre, I stab some sticks in there. So I've got some mugwort, some Douglas fir or pine works really well. And then I've just got a bit of rosemary from the garden. And then dip them in the sauce and enjoy. The marshmallows themselves without the sticks will last about 2 weeks in an airtight container.